about why is the database, why can't I start the BlueLink Network Service and it's saying that it can't connect to the database. So I'll show you as an example. So when you try to start that service called the BlueLink Network Service, the one that connects the software to the doors, and you're trying to start it, and all of a sudden it's telling you, hey, the BlueLink Network Service tried to start, but the service can't connect. Cannot access the database. Please make sure the settings are correct. You click OK, and it takes you to the database configuration screen. And first thing to do, you say test connection, and you see that it's failing to connect to the SQL Server instance, and it cannot connect to the database, so it's not going to start the service. So whenever that happens, you want to first go to Services in your Windows Start menu, or your search screen, to search the computer and type in Services. And you want to open up the one that with the gear symbol, and you want to scroll down to the S's and look for one called SQL Server. And most likely this problem is because the SQL Server is stopped, excuse me, and once the SQL Server is stopped, it won't be able to connect to the database. This sometimes happens because of Windows updates or something that got updated and the SQL Server just didn't automatically get updated. So all you have to do is just right click it and say start. And of course, this is only on the server that's hosting the database. So here you go. And once it's running, the sometimes you have to click start service, but you can see that it knew that I was trying to connect and it started right away. And now if I click OK and say test connection, it's going to report back with the connection was successful. And then you don't have to do anything else. Just close out of the screen and that's it. You're all good.